will be pumping the water.
Okay.
So we have used the sensor, ma'am.
Soil moisture.
So this sensor will detect this moistureness in the soil. If the soil layer is not moisture, means the water content is not available, then it will send a signal to this.
How do you know?
Arduino, it will send signal to this. We have run a code in this C language, ma'am. This is a code, ma'am. So with that code, we have given some estimations of moistureness, ma'am.
Measurement.
So here the measure. So then it will trip this relay trip. Send the signal to this pump, ma'am. This pump will pump the water into this. Let's open it. We will demonstrate it. Button.
You can keep in this. It's
Now
totally
it's
dry.
wet, ma'am. Actually, here we have a moisture content in this, so water is not getting. If we take this and keep it in this, then water will pump automatically, ma'am. Until the sensor will sense the moistureness in the soil, it will pump the water, ma'am.
Like it's automatically.
So it will reduce the labors and it will reduce the it will increase the efficiency of the water.